So today we are going to be discussing power sharing, right? So power sharing is mandatory in every democratic countries. Even India also we are sharing power, and all the democratic countries are sharing the power. You might have seen in the ancient period, all the countries are ruled by the kings, like a monarchy system is there. In the monarchy system, the power is not shared or power was not distributed to any others. The power is under the control of a single person, that is a king. But now, power sharing is one of the most important principle in the democratic countries. You can see in all the countries are following the power sharing. If power is sharing, then the country is democratically is successful country. Which country is not going to be sharing the power, those countries are facing the different kind of a political problems and social problems. But now we have to see with example two countries we are going to be taking, and how these countries, one country was shared the power and successfully was completed power sharing, and it is very good example for the better democracy, that is Belgium. And Sri Lanka was not shared the power and it was faced the civil war. We might learn in this lesson regarding Sri Lanka and as well as Belgium country. So before that you can see power sharing is a fundamental principles of a democracy. Every country, especially the democratic country, they are sharing the power. So why we need a power sharing? So what is the major objectives of the power sharing? You can see here the power sharing objectives is nothing but the importance of power sharing. Importance of the power sharing. You can see first one is the prevent conflict and promote unities. So power sharing is avoiding the conflicts. You might have seen two group of language group of people or religion group of people, they are going to be fighting if power is not going to be shared. Good example you can take it if Tamil Nadu and Andhra. So nothing but Telugu people having a separate government, state government, and as well as Tamil people also having the separate state government. So Telugu people are not involving in the Tamil Nadu government, and Tamil Nadu government also is not involving in the Telugu government. So power was shared. Tamils are separate state government, and Telugu people also having a separate state government. So we are avoiding the conflict between the two group of language or two group of religion, whatever it is, and promoting unity. You can see Tamil people also Indians and Telugu people also is Indians. Indirectly, we are sharing power and making unity here and avoiding the conflict here. Now coming towards strengthens the democracy by ensuring fair participation. So strengthens the democracy means that if you are sharing the power, the democracy is going to become a very strong. And every person, individual person are going to be participating in the democracy. For example, you can see in the rural level, in the village level, we have panchayat raj elections. The people are participating. They are also involved in the decision making. Right now, in the state level also we have the government, and people are involving in the decision making. So people participation is very well in the power sharing areas. Now coming towards reducing authoritarian rule. So authoritarian means a single person is unable to take the decisions. So single person is not having a power. We given the power for different kind of organs of the government, different kind of a levels of the government. We given the power, right? Now political stability. If the power sharing is done in the country, political stability is very common, and even the country also developed very well in economically, politically, and socially. The country is very good, going to be very strong in the nation. Right. Coming towards here, these are the most important objectives of the power sharing. So, if the power was shared in the country, definitely we are going to be successful with these objectives. Now, coming towards here, we are going to be learning about the power sharing between the two countries, that is the Belgium and as well as Sri Lanka, with help of case study. With help of the case study. So now we can see Belgium country, how Belgium country was shared the power between the different ethnic groups, and how it was successful power sharing, and how the Sri Lanka was failure in the power sharing, and how Sri Lanka was facing the problem. Right now you can see first Belgium we are selected here, as a case study here. Now, it is a European country. Belgium is a European country and it's a very small country. And our Indian state, like as a Haryana, right? What is the population? Approximately 1 crore population is living in the Belgium country. But these population are different ethnic groups. Different ethnic groups are living in the country, Belgium country, like a different language people, different cultural people are living in the country. Now, this country is sharing the boundaries, means a neighboring countries. The Belgium countries have the borders are neighboring countries that has a France, Germany, Netherlands, Luxembourg. You can see this side, both sides in the north, south, western side, France, Germany, Netherlands, Luxembourg, these are the neighboring countries. What are the neighboring countries of India? Like Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, these all are our neighboring countries, such as like a Belgium also having the neighboring countries. Now coming towards here, in the Belgium country, this is a Belgium country. It is a northern part of Belgium country. This northern part of Belgium country, this region is called as a Flemish region. Which region that is? Flemish region. In the Flemish region, the people are speaking Dutch language. The people are speaking Dutch language, and approximately 59% of the Belgian people and especially Flemish people they are speaking the Dutch 59%. And coming towards the southern part of the Belgium, this region is called as a Walloon region. And in the Walloon region, people are speaking French language. Approximately 40% people are speaking French. And remaining eastern part of the Belgium and German area, and here 1% of the people they are speaking a Germany language. Now you can see here three different language people are living in the Belgium. Here, who are the majoritarian people here? Flemish people. Dutch people are majority people in the country, and minority people are going to become a Walloon region people, that is a French people. So French people are minority people in the Belgium, and Dutch people are the majority people here. This is the country wise. And coming towards in the capital city, the Belgium capital city is a Brussels. In the Brussels, quite opposite of the country. So in the Brussels, the French people are 80 percentage. French speaking people are 80 percentage people are there, and Dutch speaking people are only 20 percentage people are there. But now different ethnic groups, different language people are living in the Belgium. But how Belgium was power shared among these different language people and how it was overcome the problem. That we will discuss tomorrow itself. What kind of system they followed Belgium, that we will discuss tomorrow itself. And now we will go for Sri Lanka, but Sri Lanka was not shared the power, faced a lot of problems. Now Sri Lanka is one of the smallest country. It is a nearby. It is a neighboring country of India. Okay, and it's nearby the Tamil Nadu state. So before independent, lot of Indian Tamils they are went to Sri Lanka and they worked as a plantation workers. And after independent also they settled there and they are living. So here mainly two language people are living here, and in the Sri Lanka Tamil region, this northern part of the Sri Lanka, it is a Tamil region. In this Tamil region, approximately 18% of the people are there. These Tamil region people, only Tamil speaking people, 13% people are there. Tamil speaking people in the Sri Lanka, 13% is there. But in the Tamil region, in this Tamil region, so who are the religion? What are the major religions in the northern part? Hindus are there, Muslims are there, Christians are there. Okay, Christians are there. These religion people are living, and majority of the people in this area they are speaking Tamil language. Tamil language only they are speaking here. But now coming towards the rest of the Sri Lanka, the rest of the Sri Lanka is completely, it is a Sinhalas or Sinhalese. Sinhalese. These people is the real Sri Lankan people is called as a Sinhalese or Sinhalas. Now these people are following a which religion? Buddhist. But what is the Sinhalas or Sinhalese? 74% of the people in the Sri Lanka is a Sinhalese only. But now these Sinhalese and Tamils, who are the majoritarian here? Who are the majority people here? Yes, Sinhalese only is the majority people here. Right. But what was happening here in the year of 1956? 1956, the Sri Lankan government was passed a new act. This act was created the problem between the Sinhalese versus Tamils. So, what is the intention and the aims of this 1956 act in Sri Lanka? It is a this act is going to become the Sinhalese as a official language of Sri Lanka, and the Buddhism is going to become a like a national religion of Sri Lanka. So when the Sinhalese language, when the Buddhism is going to be very strong in the country, in the Sri Lanka, we say whatever Tamils and the Tamils, whatever Hindus, whatever the Muslims, whatever the Christians. So due to this act, the these Tamil people are demanded. We are demanding. Tamil people are demanding. We want a separate state, Elam state. Elam state. They are demanding you want a separate state. Tamil speaking people wanted a separate state, and that is the Elam state they demanded. When they are separation, when they are demanded a separation of this power here, when they are demanding separate power of the Tamil people, then here a civil war was started here. Civil war was started here. So what is a civil war here? It is an internal war of the country. Internal war of the country is called as a civil war, and the civil war was started between the Sinhalese versus Tamils. So when the civil war was started in the Sri Lanka, and number of Tamil people was like killed by the Sinhalese army and Sri Lankan army. So due to this n number of Tamil people was migrated and escaped from the this Sri Lanka to India, and again they came to India and they settled in India. But still now the problem is going between the Sinhalese versus Tamil only. And even though you can see here, these Sri Lankan people are believing what they are believing. Majoritarian is a right way. So majoritarian is a right, but what is the majoritarian here? Majority community should be rule the country. Is it right? No, because majority people are ruling the country through elections. Majority people are going to be for the government. It's okay, fine. Why we want to neglect the minority people? So we also provide a better facilities, and we also provide a equal facilities of the minority people also. But here the Sinhalese or the majority people are dominated the Tamil minority people. So due to the domination of the minorities on the majorities on the minorities, and civil war was started between the Sinhalese and as well as Tamil, and the civil war was continued until 2009. Until 2009, the civil war was continued, and finally the government of Sri Lanka was taking some special benefits also Tamils in the after 2019. But anyway, it was economically, politically was not successfully developed. But Belgium was successfully developed. Belgium is an inspiration. Belgium is inspiration to all over the European countries, especially the power sharing. So that is the reason Belgium was successfully power shared, and Sri Lanka was not the power. And Belgium was successfully shared here. That is the reason. And how the Belgium was successfully shared the power, you might learn tomorrow. And what system the government is followed, the Belgium government is followed, and how it was successful power sharing. Tomorrow we will discuss it, sir. Thank you.